can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be unboxing all my winter tees. I did actually manage to get around 6 shirts, one of them being a really important shirt to me, but I am going to be unboxing all of those tees that I did pick up. If you do end up enjoying this video though, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Let's see how many likes we can get. Comment which your favorite tee that I picked up was. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Also, click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you want to enter in a Poro giveaway where we're going to be giving away one of the necklaces that I normally wear. It's actually a pretty sick giveaway which is going to be ending soon, so go ahead and check that out. Right under it is going to be my room tour video. Once that video hits 1,000 likes, we will go ahead and give you guys a shoulder bag and a Supreme tee. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So like I was saying before, I did actually manage to cook up pretty good on tee week. We got some pretty fire stuff in my opinion, and I feel like this is one of the tees right here. I did open the packages just to make sure everything was right. We actually have a sticker pack which I am gonna open for you guys. We got the regular box logo in there, then we have this money, power, respect sticker, and we also do have the bridge sticker right here. I actually really am a fan of this design, and I'm actually glad that I got the sticker as well. I feel like it's pretty cool. It says Saint Smith Supreme on the back. Love this sticker right here, but those are the stickers. We managed to pick up this tee right here in a small. This is the D-Hiver tee or the D-Hiver. I don't really know how to say it too much. This tee right here might be up for raffles. It is a size small, and I normally don't get size smalls, but I managed to get this one in a small, and I feel like it's pretty cool. This shit is puny. This might be up for raffles. This is the Supreme D-Hiver tee. I actually feel like it's a pretty clean design, especially for the holidays. You also cannot go wrong with the design right here. It says Supreme or Supreme D-Hiver with a little like artwork right there. It says 2019 2020 right there on the front. Pretty clean tee if I must say so myself. If you guys do want this tee, it should be up for raffles, so let me know if you want this. I will throw it up on Astro Bodega if you are interested. Next up, we got this big boy package right here where it has a lot of tees in it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. Right here we got like 4 tees, and we have another one of the same sticker pack, same exact stickers as before. Honestly, kind of a bummer because I wanted all the stickers in the little drop, but this first tee is actually for the personal. This is the money, power, respect tee. I love this one right here. Probably one of my favorite designs that came out, and I'm super glad I got it. Honestly, this is a weird color to get it in, but it looks way better in person. It's like this acid yellow colorway, and it does say Supreme right there in like a blue text. And on the back you do have the big money, power, respect logo. We honestly thought this was gonna be the Locks album tee, but it apparently isn't. You know, it changed colors, they changed the vibes on it. I don't know how this has tape on it. I'm assuming that's from pre-production, but right here we do have the money, power, respect tee once again. I feel like this is a fire tee nonetheless, and I'm actually amped about this one. I love the colorway on it. You got a lot of different tones right here. I don't really even know how to explain the color to you guys. It's like a washed out yellow, if that makes sense. This shirt definitely does look nice, and it is for the personal. Next up, we have another tee that I should be raffling on Astro Bodega. This is the Aguila tee, and honestly, I feel like this is a pretty cool tee, but I don't see myself wearing it too much. I keep thinking about the fact that I don't have a camo Supreme tee, but at this point, it is what it is. I feel like there'll be one that comes with a design that I really want, and that's the one I'll end up keeping. But this Aguila tee right here is actually not that bad, bro. You got her smoking a spliff on the front of it. It says Supreme right under it. I feel like this tee right here will go up in value as time goes on, but it's definitely not a bad tee, and I will be raffling it on Astro Bodega. I love this camo colorway as well. Honestly, bro, the camo colorway is making me want to keep this, but I feel like it's pointless because I did pick up some other tees that I'd rather keep in my collection, so I possibly should be letting this go. This tee right here is definitely a vibe. I do like the colorway on it a whole lot, honestly. It's a fire tee, bro. You could definitely go ahead and pick this up. This is in the size XL. For my big boys out there, we got something for you, and we got a size small for my small people out there. You already know, go ahead and scoop up some Supreme tees for the holidays. That was the 3rd tee, I believe. Next up, we do have one of my favorite tees that dropped this whole week, which was the bridge tee. This is honestly fire to me, bro. I love the black colorway that I got it in. It's clean. This is honestly one of my favorite tees that came out. I love the design on it. I honestly feel like if this would have been longer, it would have made made like a kind of a bridge cross. I don't know if that makes sense, but it is fire. It does say Saint Smith right there on the middle of the tee. It's literally just a bridge on it, but my favorite part about this tee right here is the fact that the back got the graffiti on it. It says Saint Smith Supreme on it. Super clean, bro. I really had to get this for the personal. I honestly love the way that it pops on this black colorway more than any other color, because the black and gray picture is just perfect for this black tee. It just goes right in. And then on the back you got that white text. Come on, bro, that's super sick in my opinion. Definitely one of my favorite tees that I picked up from this whole drop. And hey, I'm sorry, but this will not be raffled. I love this tee right here. Another one for the personal people. This is definitely one of my favorites. We also did manage to pick up this clown tee right here. This is one that I was debating on keeping. I like the colorway kinda, but I don't know if I really need this one. And to be honest, bro, it's kinda weird. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. I keep it funky. This is kinda weird, bro. Yo, like, this shit is hard, but I just don't know how I feel about all these clowns on the front of this piece. If you guys do want this, go ahead and hit me up on Astro Bodega. I will be raffling this off. This is the tan colorway, and it is a size XL as well. I feel like there's a whole lot of clown and shit on here. It's not bad. I feel like the clowns aren't overbearing as well. Like, you can actually pull this off. Like, look, you could pull this off, bro, but I just don't know if I want to pull it off. So I will possibly be raffling this off. Just let me know if you are interested. Actually, just check out Astro Bodega, because these might already be listed on there. Should have got it in the blue colorway, because I feel like that one was way better. But when I was doing the live cop, I said, fuck it, let me just get this tan color right here. So that's exactly what I decided to go with. There's a lot of creepy ass clowns on here, bro. Look at Dude Man's right there. But it's just not for me. Not everything is for you sometimes. You gotta accept that. And that's what I did with this tee right here. So I'm raffling it off on Astro Bodega. And last but not least, we got the bread and butter of this video. The tee that y'all didn't see success on in the video. We got stickers right here, but I'm gonna show y'all these after I show y'all the pickup. This one actually came with 4 stickers. That's how you know this is the banger tee. We managed to cook up. We cooked up. I got the box logo, people. Like, I actually cooked up on the BOGO. We got this shit in the navy colorway. Come on, this shit is too fire. This is actually for the personal. I don't plan on selling this anytime soon, so I am gonna keep this. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it for y'all. I need to make sure I open this silky smooth at the top so it doesn't look all retarded. We got the little box logo, bro. I'm so amped about this tee right here. We got it in the navy colorway as well. This tee right here is so fire, bro. That paisley on it is just perfect to me. We did get it in the XL, so it is for the personal. I honestly feel like there's so many people who buy Supreme just to resell, and that's honestly a problem, bro, because a lot of people out here want to get these pieces and wear them. I can't even get some items because a lot of people buy them just to resell, and that honestly kind of sucks because I actually really enjoy these pieces. I would open this, but it's honestly the same thing. So you honestly really just got that box logo on the front right there. I am gonna do a detailed review for this just in case they make fakes out there. I don't want you guys to get scammed, so probably the video after this video is gonna be a box logo review in case you are trying to pick them up. And I feel like you should get them now because these will go up. Trust me, these shits are gonna go up. There's just too much quantity for them to go up right now, but in the future these tees right here will be worth a pretty penny. I'd say like $500 to $600, which isn't even that bad to be honest, but this is a fire piece. My last pickup for today's video was this box logo tee. I honestly really hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna show you these stickers and then we're straight up out the building. We got the box logo sticker, then we got 3 more stickers right here. The money, power, respect, which I already showed you guys. We got the bike sticker right here, which is another tee that I honestly skipped on. I feel like some people liked it, but personally it just wasn't my cup of tea. And we have the Aguila sticker right here, which is another clean sticker in my opinion. I honestly really do like the sticker a whole lot. Nothing on the back of this one, but I showed you guys all my tees. I showed you guys all the stickers that I picked up. Let me know what was your favorite tee that I actually managed to cook. We actually cooked up pretty decently on this release. I want to know what you copped. I want to know what your favorite piece that I picked up was. If you are interested in the clown tee, the D Hiver tee, or the Aguila tee, make sure you go ahead and check out Astro Bodega because those possibly are up for raffles. If you don't see it up there by the time this video is up, it should be up sometime soon, so make sure you follow Astro Bodega. And hey, that pretty much does it for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave that like, subscribe, click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Make sure you click that Gleam link at the top of the description if you want to enter in a Poro giveaway, which is actually going to be ending pretty soon, so I would would recommend you guys to go ahead and check that out. And right under it is gonna be my room tour video. Once you guys get that to 1,000 likes, we will do another giveaway for you guys, which is gonna include a Supreme tee and it's gonna include a Supreme shoulder bag. So you don't want to miss out on that. Just get my room tour to 1,000 likes. But I'm gonna check you guys out on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel.